Hello and welcome to Gamers Arena. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to get your channel monetized without even doing anything. Very easy. Only what you need to do is give a little bit of money, which I don't have, of course. That's why I don't have my channel monetized. Many people will be there asking, why is your channel not monetized? And you tell that how to monetize, you don't have your own channel monetized? Because you need a little bit of money which you don't have. So if you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, maybe I will earn some money and then I will be able to do something like that, whatever. So for this you need to go by the website. I put the link down in the description, go and check it out. And how to do it, I'm just going to tell you. Look, here are 4 options in the website. One is for Instagram followers, no need for that. One is for subscribers on YouTube, you will get 1k subscribers. You can do it if you have watch time already. And one option is there for watch time. If you already have subscribers, then you can only go for watch time. But most of you don't have that. So you have to click on this full monetization package. Just click on it and a list will open down below. You have to keep the link of your channel and your email address. Okay, nothing much. Only link of your channel and email address, and you have to send it to the owner of the website. Okay, you have to click on send. Nothing more. And then down there's an option for pay now. I don't know, it is not PayPal, either Paytm, or I don't know what is that, but it is something. So you just go and click on that, and option like this, you can see it. This will come. Just enter the amount. Is worth 1399, I guess. Very cheap. 1399 INR. It is in Indian currency. I don't know how much it is in dollar. I guess $69. I'm sorry, 69 rupees equal to $1. So just calculate. I know I have got audience from many countries. Whatever, I don't give a damn. Just click on this and pay now. You have to just write for what you are paying, and everything is done. You have to do nothing. Monetizing on, you get heavy money because you know YouTube pays well. That's why you are here. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe.